Chapter 6, Part 6. Not only were all the revenues of the college arising from its endowments committed by Jalal to the sole administration of Hussam, but whatever gifts and contributions were offered by princes and friends in money or in kind, they were all consigned to his care to augment the resources of the general fund, Jalal's family and also his son, though often pinched, fared as the disciples. And if one's doing a spiritual work, even though you can take a salary for teaching, not for leading prayers, but for teaching, that, you know, the point isn't getting rich. You're distributing religious knowledge and understanding.